Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Transit. My name's Levi Ellie and today we're at Ashford International again. So today you'll be seeing services by Southeastern and Southern. I'm not expecting any Eurostar today, largely because they're all bloody cancelled. Yes. They're running a very reduced service Eurostar, so I'm not expecting any. There are lights down there to what I'm assuming they belong to an MPV of some sort. There are at least three 375. Right, I'm off to bed. I'm gone. I'm out of the mare. Right, shall I try that one again? 375s. Yes, there are 3 of them. Lecky Stars in the depot. Now arriving in is the 1152 Southeastern service to Margate. This is being worked by one of their high-speed 395s. Does it? Never knew that fact. I definitely could not see a 6-car train approaching. So, I'll get the numbers when she departs. So, let's see what shall turn up. Okay, the 395 is about ready to depart. There was an announcement for the 1205 service to Canterbury West on our night, so that should be attached to a different unit now. 395 004 Sir Chris Hoy. And there is no sign of that Canterbury West service, so I don't know where it's gone. Okay, and down the distance you can see a pairing of presumably 377s to Canterbury West, arriving 10 minutes early. So one would imagine half of it's splitting off somewhere to somewhere mystical and magical, I don't know. Mind you, it says short platforms for those stations, yeah. The front 4, so I assume they're both going together. Anyway, 377-510 is at the front. I shall get the rear when she departs. Okay, the next train to arrive in is a pairing of 375s for Southeastern to London Charing Cross. No, it's not a pairing, it's just a singular one. I wonder where it could be. Oh, shut up. 375-623. Unmistakable sound of clattering bogies. Yeah, it's very interesting. That's the 1202 service. Okay, now arriving in is presumably a pairing of 375s working a London Charing Cross to Dover Priory service. I almost said what I normally say and said Priory. I don't know why I always say that wrong. It's just something about me, I don't know. Shut up. It's 375-804 at the front. I shall get the rear upon her departure. Marvellous. Okay, 375-804 and her companion are, well, going. At the rear is 375-628, also departing, well, about to depart, 377-510 and her companion to Canterbury West. I say about to depart, it depends when about to depart means. Oh, it is going. Southern interior. Disgusting. No, I love Southern, really. At the rear is 377,523s. In the distance, I can see a 73 working RHTTs. Thunk thunk. I could listen to that all day. Let's turn our attention to this. Oh, what a spark! These pairing of 73s on RHTT. Oh man. So that's the second RHTT that I've somewhat successfully got on film. Those 66s at Dover, but. And she's coming to a stop. Oh god, those brakes need some learning. So she's probably turning back round then. Okay. Adjustments. Okay, now departing is 73136 Bahari. While I'm on my way back to, well, my perch, is 171401 coming in with a terminating service from Eastbourne. Marstonk, of course, running 4 carriage trains at the moment. And Uckfield is running 6 carriage trains. That, interestingly, has run into platform 2. Probably because there's a 375 and, well, 375, 377 in platform 1 that's blocking it. Hey, nearly Canterbury out is 66729 on RHTT. 66729, Derby County. And 66708 Jane. So I've seen 2 RHTTs today, and that is going like the clappers, that. Okay, now arriving in is a 12:15 Southeastern high-speed train service to St Pancras International via Dover Park. Right there, no, right, I'm off to bed. I'm having a right old mare here. Via Dover Priory. Get it right. Okay, and down in the distance we can see another Southeastern 395 going to St Pancras International via Ebbsfleet. This one, it looks like it has a name. Oh, what joys.
12:16 Southeastern service to St Pancras International.
No, it doesn't. 395-016 is nameless. Don't know what made me think, thought that had a name, but yeah. (171-401) has now swapped its lights on this side to day running. Just thought I'd give you that meaningless information. Well, maybe not meaningless, but yeah. It's information you could do without. I may as well not bothered as this 395, I'm a right old mare today, as this 395 departs. (319-024) Johnny Peacock. Going by Dover Priory. Get it right, stop having a mare. Okay, 171401 is about ready. Oh, I'm having a right old mare today. 171401 is departing with the Southern service to Eastbourne. It's the 12:25 service. Rain is slowly getting heavy, but I am switching platforms, so we'll get a slightly different view. Platforms 1 and 2. It's nice to see the forecast that's doing the rounds. Even though it is planned that the forecast sets are doing the rounds, it's still nice to see. It's an ex-Satire or ScotRail unit. It's an ex-ScotRail unit 401. Yeah, it came from doing Edinburgh and the 5 Circle to the Marsh-Lincoln Uckfield. Yeah, that's a bit of a downgrade if you ask me. Well, I was moving until 377505 came along. 1283 service. Other is 377518. Unlike what they used to do, they used to split these services here at Ashford. Now they're running them 8 cars all the way to Victoria. 375830. It's happened again. It's happened every time, I swear. And 375619. They're working from Dover Priory to London Charing Cross. Okay, 375830 and 375619 are about ready to depart for London Charing Cross. There are a pairing of presumably 377s that came in. There were Electrostars of some sort, but I couldn't get the numbers. I was walking down this to this part of the platform. Nice shelter from the rain though. Nice. 375619 is on the rear. Driver John Neve. A couple of nice barks as well. Okay, now departing is 377505 with the oh good. I'll tell you why, they all begin with South is my problem. 377505 with the Southeastern service to London Victoria via Maidstone East. I tell you what, this isn't actually that bad of a place here. I've completely forgotten what was on the grid. 375518. It's 377518. This is 377521. That will be working the 1305 to London Victoria. We won't see that depart. It's along with 519. I'm going to say 519. Okay, the 395 is now departing. Oh, it has a name. Let's see if I can't get this. It'll be difficult. 395019. Jessica Ennis, I think that said. Yes, Jessica Ennis 395019. I don't know what the other bit says, what she did in her athletics career, but hey-ho. Anyway, she continues on. I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching. It is greatly appreciated. If you like what you've seen today, do like and subscribe. Also leave a comment. I will get back to them as and when I can. So, that is Ashford International. Again. Yeah, it's an absolutely marvellous station, this. I shall definitely be coming back again. It will definitely be next year, though. Won't be coming back anytime this year. Because my plan for every future years, every month, there's going to be one trip that's kind of like set in stone that I want to do every month for every single part of that year. Unless I'm doing something interesting and special. This is definitely going to be one of them. And I should definitely be sure to utilise these platforms more, because my goodness, you get a pretty good view out of autofocus out of platforms 1 and 2 going northbound. Anyway, so from me and Ashford International, Take care, guys. Goodbye.